Are you going to prank your friends? Don't you think your pranks might go wrong? Because any prank can backfire easily. Why? Watch it in our new videos of pranks that have gone wrong. Blackie is a real pro when it comes to beauty pranks. She sneaks in chocolate mascara and inseparable cotton pads to her friend. Pour a chocolate topping into a clean mascara tube without a wiper. But the blue-eyed girl smells a rat. She has a nose for pranks, or for chocolate. She sees through her friend's prank immediately. Blackie is doing her victory dance. Not so fast! Get some chocolate makeup! Blackie wants to wipe the chocolate off her cheek as fast as possible. She takes cotton pads. Hey, friend, don't you remember it was you who put them here? Divide cotton pads into stacks. Sew through one of them and thread the rest. Hot glue the first and the last cotton pads to the stack to hide the thread. Put the cotton pads back into the package. Blackie wants to take out a cotton pad, but she takes out all of them. A team of cotton pads that is together forever. This prank is a success, but Blackie happened to be its only victim. Who would have thought that Blackie was a secret Oreo fan? She sneaks the cookies out of the cabinet all the time. But Blondie is fed up with these Oreo raids. She decides to teach a lesson to her friend. The secret will come to light when Blondie changes the Oreo filling. Open an Oreo package carefully. Take the filling off the cookies. Squeeze a clove of garlic into cream cheese and mix it. Spread the sauce over the cookies and make the cookie sandwich again. Put them back into the package and hot glue. I sneak in my garlic Oreo quietly. Let's see if my friend likes the new Oreo flavor. Blackie takes the package of the garlic Oreo and puts it into the cookie bowl. It turns out that she's taken the cookies for a tea party. I take one cookie from the bowl. Oops! I fall for my own prank. It's the garlic filling. It's raining outdoors and the blue-eyed girl hates getting wet. It's great that her friend has an umbrella. Open an umbrella and make small holes in it. The blue-eyed girl opens the umbrella. Surprise! This umbrella can be called a strainer. A perforated umbrella is a hot fashion trend of the season. The blue-eyed girl doesn't need to take a shower when she's got an umbrella like this. Blackie's gotten wet too, but the blue-eyed girl is not just cold, her mascara is smudged. The blue-eyed girl can't manage to find the best sleep position. Her body refuses to fit into the couch. What should she do? It's great that her caring friends made a pillow for her. Cut out a paper template of a travel pillow. Trace it on soft fabric. Cut out 2 details. Hot glue them together. Turn the pillow right side out and fill it with uncooked pasta. Hot glue the hole. I'm looking forward to the prank. The pasta will cause a lot of discomfort to my friend. But the blue-eyed girl falls asleep immediately as though she was born in a pasta factory. It turns out that I did her a favor instead of pranking her. Blackie is plotting another hard prank. She's made special sticky toast. Cut Chewy candies in half and put them on a slice of bread. Cover it with another slice. Heat the sandwich in a microwave. Blondie doesn't suspect anything's wrong. Her friends made toast. One is a cheese toast, and the other is sticky and tricky. Blackie is spinning in a chair. Let it be a great prank. Oops! She's gotten dizzy after so much plotting and spinning. Everything's gotten mixed up, so she doesn't know which is what. Let's guess. Unfortunately, Blackie loses this toast lottery. She gets her sticky toast. And Blondie bites the delicious cheese, unaware about the prank that has gone wrong. Blackie is going to a beach. She just has to take a beach towel. Excellent! The blue-eyed girl is going to sneak a special towel into her bag. Put colorful slimes on a beach towel and fold it up. Blackie finds her own towel. She doesn't need someone else's towel. The blue-eyed girl sees her friend off. She's totally happy. There will be a surprise on the beach. Oops! The sticky towel turns out to be at home. The blue-eyed girl falls for her own prank. Such a failure. Hi, slime. I've come up with something interesting. I will add more silver to cutlery. Cover a fork and a spoon with silver food coloring. Silver cutlery is a perfect prank. Look how shiny they are, and they will make anyone who takes them silver. Unfortunately, I failed to take something into account. I painted my skin together with the cutlery. Now, I look like jewelry. The blue-eyed girl is watching a movie. It's a perfect time to prank her. I offer her my spicy popcorn and fake Sprite. Add black pepper to caramel popcorn. Shake to mix it. The blue-eyed girl refuses to take the snack and the drink. No problem, I will wait. But the plot of the movie doesn't let me keep calm. It's so gripping that I forget about my prank. I reach out for the popcorn. Phew, it's hot and spicy. I need to have a sip of my Sprite right now. Pour a Sprite out of the bottle and pour in Schweppes. It is such a failure, falling for your own prank. We can shoot a comedy with Blackie starring in it. Redhead has made tea for her friend, and she also made a prank cup to go with it. Cut a handle off a plastic cup using a heated knife. Warm up a few Fruitella candies in a microwave to make them softer. Shape them into a cup handle and attach it to its place. I put the cups on the table, and I look forward to Dolly breaking the handle off the cup. But I have to wait longer than I expected. First, Dolly tells me everything about her day. At last, she's going to have some tea, but the prank doesn't work. Dolly doesn't use the handle, so it keeps on its place. Unlike mine, the prank works, but on the wrong girl. I pretended it's been on purpose. So what? I always eat cup handles. It's the most delicious, don't you know? My friend is doing her makeup. Excellent! I will play an EOS trick on her. Cover EOS lip balm with edible glue. I juggle regular EOS and the special one. It has a sticky ingredient, except that I failed to keep track of the fake one. Everything is getting mixed up in my hands. My friend takes the regular EOS, and I get my lips glued together. I can't even complain that my pranks failed. Blackie offers me an apple as a gift. An apple? I need a lip unclamping tool instead. Dolly is up to a sweet cooking prank. First, I will cook sausages, and then I will put aside my portion. And I'll add sugar to the remaining water. The more the better. I can put even more. I shouldn't be stingy with it. The sausages have been in the sweet water long enough. Excellent! I offer breakfast to my friend, but the plates get mixed up. Redhead takes the wrong plate. She enjoys her sausage. Her portion is delicious and edible, and I get sweet sausages. I expected a different sweet prank. Did you like our pranks? Then write in your comments if you have ever fallen for your own prank. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new funny prank ideas on the Troom channel.